In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Cash App PIN if you forgot it, so you can quickly regain access to your account and continue using Cash App safely. First, open the Cash App on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Once your profile menu opens, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Change Cash App PIN. Since you forgot your PIN, click on I forgot my Cash PIN. Cash App will then send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Enter this code exactly as you receive it. Once verified, you can enter a new 4-digit PIN and confirm it. Your PIN is now successfully reset. If you still struggle with resetting your PIN, you can contact Cash App support for further assistance. To do this, go back to the profile icon, select Support, then tap Start a Chat. Send a message explaining your issue, and the Cash App support team will respond to help you resolve it quickly. This method is simple, secure, and ensures that you can safely access your Cash App account again without any issues. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.